How many girls you have dated before?
10.
Yep. What?
Wait.
Yeah, wait.
I've never been on a blind date.
Thumbs up if it's a yes, thumbs down if it's a no.
Welcome to Small World. This is not a typical dating show. This is a live date experiment. Our participants for today is Sushant and Kavya, and our audience would love to judge them. Let's find out what happens.
We're calling our first ever guy for the live dating experience called Sushant. Very long applause, guys. Woo. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
All great. Oh my god, you seem pretty excited. So, let me ask you a question. What kind of girls do you like?
Someone who's lively,
Someone who's
lively,
okay.
and able to move a conversation.
Okay.
Yeah.
Only conversation or something else also? How long you have been single?
7 months.
7 months. Is it like dry state going on right now in life or how's it?
Not really, I'm liking to be with me and I'm liking
Okay.
to... Yeah, I like being with myself actually. Yeah.
How many girls you have dated before?
I don't have a number to be precise, like in which year?
Okay.
This year.
2024,
2024, okay.
after
Yeah.
7 months of dry spell.
Dry spell.
Dry spell probably 10.
Yep. What?
Wait,
Yeah, wait.
so
what?
first 4 months of 2024 you dated 10 girls and
10
then you
girls.
had a spell of 7 months of dry.
We have actually got a very beautiful girl for you. She hasn't seen you, you haven't seen her, right? So that's gonna be fun. So can we have our girl contestant? Can you please describe yourself to the audience?
Okay, hi everyone, I'm Kavya. I'm a proper Bangalorean. Describe myself, I'm creative and I'm an extrovert. It's been, I think, 7 months, 8 months.
Oh, wait
You
just a
guys have
second.
things in common.
Okay, 7-8 months on a proper date. Like,
So Kavya, what kind of guy you like? That you find very attractive that you can't control yourself?
it's kindness,
Okay.
say, and being goofy.
Oh, that's great. By the way, you have Shant just sitting right next to you. And
Okay.
yeah, Shant,
She's checking if he exists.
or it just
Because it's crazy to have being blindfolded. It's like pitch dark.
but do you want to ask anything from Shant?
Okay. Okay, I'm so sorry. Hopefully I didn't touch. I'm so sorry. I don't know anything. But okay, let me start with a common question. Where are you from? South India.
Well, I'm originally from Murthy, but I was brought up in Mumbai.
Oh, Kannadiga.
Yeah, I can say that.
You
But,
don't sound
but my father is he was from Maharashtra. My mother is from Udupi. So it was a love marriage family.
That's sweet. Nice.
You mentioned that you dated 10 girls. I mean, that's quite
I mean,
high number. I've never.
High and by that.
Never known. If I have to count the girls that I dated, that's still in single digit. But that's like 10 number with quite a confidence. So what's your go-to move? Like why girls gets attracted towards you? What do you say like, oh my god, Shishang, I wanna have you? Like what made them say that? What do you do on a first date? What's your go-to move?
Well, I just talking is. I have a lot of stories to tell.
Do you mind if you wanna recite one story to Kavya right now? If you wanna impress her.
Okay, I'll tell you a story. There was a village, and the village was
One eternity later.
that's the end of the story.
Like how do you ensure that you're getting the guy?
I'll be focused on knowing that person, like not just having what do you like, what is your favorite food or something. I would just go have a deep down conversation of what he wants to be as a person. Not everyone would listen to it.
Okay. And what are you guys looking for? Like, are you guys looking for just a hookup, just a casual relationship, serious relationship, शादी करनी है, बच्चे करने हैं, मतलब what you guys are looking for in life? We'll start with you, Shashank. What are you looking for? बच्चे या
Not बच्चे.
शादी?
No shadi.
What are you looking for?
to, you can say, someone to play badminton with.
बस
अब भाई कह रहा है कि I'll play badminton. Someone from the audience wants to play badminton for you. So you guys have to go out tonight and play badminton. And Kavya, what about you? What are you looking for?
I'm not here for hookups or casuals. I'm here for a more deeper and more like a serious relationship.
So you do wanna try and go out on a first date? Would it be a yes from your side? You don't have to say. Just thumbs up if it's a yes, thumbs down if it's a no. Okay. Shank?
What was that? I'm sorry, I was lost. I had this blindfold makes me feel.
you are not a good listener, bro.
So you wanna go out on a second date or a first date or no?
Coffee.
Coffee? Okay. Great. So guys, let's remove the blindfolds. Why don't you remove the blindfolds?
जरा जल्दी हो रही है बहुत.
Yeah, he wants to go on a first date. Say hi to each other.
We can't see him.
Yeah. So now you wanna say anything or ask anything to each other?
How was the blind experience?
It was good. I mean, it was more connected over here rather than by looks.
Yeah.
It's a good experience.
I don't know why I told that story, but I do now.
What an experiment, right? Connection is more than just appearances. It's about energy, curiosity, and a little bit of courage. If you loved this video and want to see more, hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring.